Welcome to Minted Wonders. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Are you ready to turn your financial situation around? In this video, we'll give you a step-by-step guide on how to make money in 2024 and achieve the millionaire mindset. So grab a pen and paper, because your journey to financial success starts here. Step 1. Set clear financial goals. Write down your financial goals and be specific. Whether it's buying a house, starting your own business, or retiring early, having a clear vision will keep you motivated and focused on your path to success. Step 2. Develop multiple streams of income. The days of relying solely on one job are long gone. Start diversifying your income by exploring side hustles, investing in stock, or even starting an online business. Remember, it's all about creating multiple sources of revenue to secure your financial future. Step 3. Invest in yourself. Continuous learning is crucial in today's fast-paced world. Take online courses, attend workshops, and invest in personal development. The more skills you acquire, the more opportunities will come your way, and with those opportunities, financial success. Step 4. Embrace technology. The digital age is upon us, and technology can be your best friend. Embrace new tools, platforms, and trends to leverage your financial success. Whether it's utilizing social media for business, exploring cryptocurrency, or investing in emerging technologies, stay ahead of the curve. Step 5. Save and invest wisely. Pay yourself first by saving a portion of your income. Create an emergency fund and start investing your money wisely. Explore options like stocks, real estate, and retirement plans to maximize your earnings potential. Step 6. Network and collaborate. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who share your goals and ambitions. Build a strong network of mentors, partners, and collaborators who can support and guide you along the way. Remember, success is not a solo journey. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to financial success in 2024. Remember, it won't happen overnight, but with dedication, determination, and the right mindset, you can achieve financial freedom. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and insights on how to reach your financial goals.